This video tutorial I will explain Java code example using AWS SNS with email subscription. We will write the Java code which will create SNS topic, then subscribing an email to the topic, then publishing message to the topic. In this diagram, you can see three participants: publishers, topic, and subscribers. We will write Java code to publish message to the topic, and that will be received by the email subscriber. Here you can see AWS SNS demo project and its folder structure. Here you can see the pom.xml file, and here we have to include AWS SDK for SNS dependency. You have to make sure AWS configurations are done in your system. Here you can see credentials and config. Here you can see the credential file. It has access key and secret key, and in configuration, region is mentioned. If you want to know how to configure AWS credential, please check the link in this video description. Here I have defined the class SNS example. Inside main method, at high level what I am doing is I am creating a SNS client object, then I am creating a SNS topic, then subscribe email to the topic, then publish message to the SNS topic. We will see what each method is doing in detail now. Here I am calling create SNS topic method by passing a SNS client and a topic name. This method returns a topic ARN. In this method, what I am doing is I am creating a create topic request by passing topic name. Then using a create topic method of SNS client object, I am creating a topic, and here I got the topic response, and from the topic response I am getting a topic ARN and returning that. Next I am calling a subscribe to topic method, passing a SNS client object, topic ARN, then protocol, then email ID. Here you can see SNS client, topic ARN, protocol, and endpoint. Endpoint is email ID. Here I am creating a subscribe request object by passing topic ARN and protocol and endpoint. Then I am calling subscribe method of SNS client object, and this method returns subscribe response, and from that response I am getting the subscription ARN and printing that. Then I am calling publish to topic method by passing SNS client, topic ARN, and the message. Here I am creating a publish request object by passing a topic ARN and message. Then I am calling a publish method of SNS client object by passing the request, and message will be published, and here I got the response object. From the response object I am getting a message ID and printing that. Now I will run this program. Here I got the error saying for this particular user is not authorized to perform create topic operation. We will see how to fix this. Here you can see the user. Click on this. Click on add permission. Choose attach policies directly. Search for SNS. Select the first one, Amazon SNS full access. Click on next. Click on add permissions. Permission is added successfully. Again run this program. Here you can see SNS topic is created. Here is the ARN. Subscription request has been sent, and the message ID. Here you can see the my test topic has been created. Here you can see the subscription and it is pending. Here you can see the mail asking subscription confirmation. Click on this, confirm subscription, so that this email will receive message from the topic. Subscription is confirmed. And here you can see the status is confirmed. Again run this program. And here you can see this time it got the notification message. So it is working fine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.